Hey everyone, here's a shadow band we made for a customer's engagement ring. The original engagement ring was one we designed a while back. Good thing about having a 3D model made is we didn't need the customer's ring to lay out the wedding band. We were able to use the original model and knew the ring would fit flush after the fact, which you can see here in the video it does. The customer's new wedding band was to be an extension of their original ring, pulling from the same styling and stone layout. In the center, a round diamond will be set, followed by 2 tapered baguettes, then 3 smaller round diamonds which flow into the next straight baguette, and finally to the 4 round diamonds that will be set along the shank. Matching the same design will allow the 2 rings to complement each other when worn together, but also helps keep the main focal point on that almost flawless center diamond. If you are looking to have an engagement ring custom made, feel free to contact us today. We can design just about anything you can think of. For anything else, feel free to leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.